So this episode is going to be very, very fun, interesting. Everything is shut down in New York City. It's 6 o'clock. It's a blizzard outside in New York City today. 19 inches of snow has fell, but I'm going to take my adventure outdoors. I've been inside all day. I've been trying to upload my video, but internet service is like kind of wacky. So I'm going to see you guys and I'll show you what's going on outside. Heading out right now. Let's see what's going on. New York City. Blizzard 2016. What am I doing out here? I really love stuff like this. There's some people coming down right now. Hold up. How you doing?
Love America.
Here's the train stations. Our service. You guys waiting for us? Good luck, but no car's supposed to be out here. They stopped at 2:30 p.m.
I know, but some of them are still.
We got a ticket with them.
Oh, with a ticket with them? They got a ticket me.
Of this snowstorm continues to be intense, between 1 and 3 inches per hour, depending on where you are in the city.
Got people out here in the hoverboard having fun in the blizzard. Now this is how you have fun. Out here in the blizzard. Oh, beautiful times. I'm out here with my Jordan Oreos. My boots, I couldn't get them at my storage. It was too late. So I'm out here with my Oreos. This corner store is open. Wow. This is real Brooklyn right now. Wow. I remember my homeboy Vulcan, he shot a music video. The only artist that did it in the blizzard. Every time there's a blizzard, I remember that new video that he did.
I chill with Sonic Ninjas, search Mozilla. Get your shit together, I became a trendsetter. I tell your niggas this shit right here is the rare era.
Get some juice, maybe some water. Let's see. But all chips are sold out. Bag of Doritos. Thank you so much. Heading home. That was fun. Oh, got more snow went inside my shoe. almost fell.